Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. The world of photography has witnessed a remarkable evolution over the years, with advancements in technology continually shaping the way we capture moments. Among the various types of cameras, 35mm rangefinders hold a special place, combining classic design with precision optics to deliver a unique shooting experience. In this exploration, we delve into the realm of the best 35mm rangefinder cameras, where craftsmanship meets functionality, and analog charm intertwines with modern innovation. The 35mm rangefinder, known for its simplicity and portability, has a rich history dating back to the mid-20th century. These cameras gained immense popularity among photographers for their compact size, quiet operation, and exceptional image quality. Despite the rise of digital photography, the allure of 35mm rangefinders endures, attracting both seasoned photographers and newcomers who appreciate the tactile nature of film photography. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, Fujifilm X10. The Fujifilm X10, introduced in 2012, marks the company's entry into the competitive enthusiast compact camera market. This model targets photography enthusiasts who seek a portable yet high-performance camera, catering to the demand for direct access to controls and superior image quality. Designed with a retro aesthetic reminiscent of Fujifilm's X100 and X Pro 1 models, the X10 features a magnesium alloy body, rangefinder-inspired design, and a plethora of external dials and buttons. Underneath its nostalgic exterior lies a progressive 12MP 2/3 type sensor, which is notably larger than sensors found in traditional compacts and some of its enthusiast compact peers. The camera incorporates Fujifilm's unique EXR technology, allowing the combination of pixel pairs to produce 6MP images with reduced noise or improved exposure. Despite its relatively large sensor, the X10 accommodates an image-stabilized 28 to 112mm equivalent f2.0-2.8 lens with a mechanical zoom ring, enabling lower ISOs in low light and the creation of blurred backgrounds for portraits. On number 4, Fujifilm X100F. The Fujifilm X100F, released in 2017, represents the fourth iteration of the esteemed X100 series. While retaining the iconic 35mm equivalent 23mm f2 lens and classic design, the X100F introduces significant changes beneath the surface, most notably the adoption of a 24MP X-trans sensor. Key features: 24MP X-trans CMOS sensor, hybrid optical/electronic viewfinder, 35mm equivalent f2 lens, joystick for setting AF point ISO control via dial, integrated with the shutter speed dial, twin push-in control dials, front and rear customizable focus ring when not in MF mode, revised menus for enhanced user experience, finer-grained image parameters for improved customization, higher voltage NP-W126S battery with percentage usage indication, digital teleconverter mode offering 50mm and 70mm equivalent crops. Resized to 24MP, the X100F showcases the result of Fujifilm's philosophy of continuous improvement, a journey seen throughout the X100 series. The move to the 24MP X-trans sensor, previously successful in the X Pro 2 and X T2, is highlighted as a significant advancement beyond a mere increase in pixel count. On number 3, Ricoh. The Ricoh GR3, released 2 years ago, gained popularity among street photographers for its compact design and powerful features. However, with new competitors entering the market, a review revisits the GR3 to assess its ongoing value at its approximately $900 price point. Pros: outstanding image quality with a 24.24-megapixel APS-C sensor. Built-in ND filters for versatile shooting conditions. 2 GB of built-in storage. Exceptionally sharp 18.3mm, 28mm equivalent lens. Rapid autofocus capabilities. Compact and lightweight, fitting easily into pockets. Responsive touch screen. Effective snap focus feature. Cons: limited battery life. Overheating issues, particularly in warm conditions. Fixed LCD screen with glossiness affecting visibility on sunny days. Lack of weather sealing. No built-in flash. Technical specifications: lens, 18.3mm, 28mm equivalent, f/2.8 f/16, 6 elements in 4 groups. Sensor, 24.24 megapixel APS-C CMOS. In-body image stabilization, 3-axis sensor shift shake reduction, SR. Storage, internal memory, approximate 2 GB, UHSI SD card compatible. On number 2, Leica M8. The Leica M8, introduced in 2007, marked a significant milestone as the first digital camera in the legendary M series, renowned for its simplicity and iconic design since the introduction of the M3 in 1954. The M8 retained the classic M series aesthetic but incorporated a new digital imaging system, featuring a specially designed 10-megapixel CCD sensor with a 1.33x field of view crop compared to a film negative. Key points: historical context. Leica's M series, with its iconic rangefinder cameras, has been a revered tool for photographers for over half a century. The M8 represented the transition of this legendary series into the digital era. Sensor and crop factor. The M8's CCD sensor measured 27 by 18 mm, introducing a 1.33x crop factor. This shift addressed the challenge of corner vignetting common in rangefinder cameras with wide-angle lenses. Corner vignetting solution: Leica employed a 3-pronged approach to solve the corner vignetting problem. On number 1, Fujifilm GFX 100S. The GFX 100S is Fujifilm's next step in medium format development, featuring a 100MP sensor in a single-grip DSLR-styled body. Despite predictability, the GFX 100S is highlighted for its exceptional capabilities. Key specifications: 102MP BSI CMOS 44 by 33mm medium format sensor. In-body image stabilization system rated at up to 6 EV. Continuous shooting at up to 5 frames per second with CAF. 4K video at up to 30p with HDMI output of 10-bit 4:2:2 or 12-bit RAW footage. Multi-shot 400MP mode for static subjects. 2.36mm rear touchscreen with 2-axis tilt. Fixed 3.69mm OLED EVF with 0.77x equivalent. Magnification. Lossy, lossless, or uncompressed RAW in 16 or 14-bit. Twin UHS-2 SD card slots. NP W235 battery, rated at 460 shots. What's new? The GFX 100S features a more compact body compared to its predecessors, utilizing downsizing efforts from the rangefinder-like 50R camera. The inclusion of in-body image stabilization is a core feature, allowing a reduction in size while maintaining effectiveness. In conclusion, the best 35mm rangefinder cameras encapsulate a timeless blend of classic design, precision engineering, and exceptional image quality. Renowned for their simplicity and reliability, these cameras offer a unique shooting experience that resonates with both enthusiasts and professional photographers. The Leica M6, with its iconic status, continues to be a favorite among purists. Its mechanical excellence, coupled with a bright and accurate rangefinder, ensures a seamless connection between the photographer and the art of capturing moments. The Conta G2, on the other hand, stands out with its autofocus capabilities, combining modern convenience with the charm of a rangefinder. This hybrid approach makes it an appealing choice for those who appreciate a blend of traditional craftsmanship and contemporary features. So guys, this was the video about the best 35mm rangefinder. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.